How to use TikTok emojis. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use TikTok emojis. So the process is quite simple. So first of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of TikTok application on your mobile device. For that, you can go ahead, open your Play Store, search for TikTok application, and once you find it, if you see an update button instead of open, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version. Now come back, launch your TikTok application, and once you're logged in with your specific account, click on the plus icon in the bottom of the screen to either upload a video from your gallery or record a new one. Now from the options on the left-hand side of the screen, tap on the stickers, that is between the text and the effects option. Simply tap on it. And here you can select your stickers and emojis. Select the emoji option over here, and a variety of emojis will appear. Choose any emoji by tapping on it, and you can use it on your TikTok video like this. Beside this, you can also go to any specific post on TikTok, and there you can use different emojis and comment. This is exactly how you can use TikTok emojis. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.